Have you ever felt a deep connection to something greater than yourself? Maybe it was during a quiet moment in nature, or while listening to a song that hit you right in the soul. What if I told you an ancient hymn from the Rig Veda could help you find that same connection and bring peace to your busy, chaotic life? Today we're diving into Rigveda 1.44.7, a powerful hymn dedicated to Agni, the god of fire. This isn't just an old prayer. It's a timeless guide to transformation, unity, and the divine spark inside us all. Let's explore its spiritual depth and see how it can light up our lives today. Hotaran Vishwarved Sansangitva Vish Inthe. Sa Avah Puruhut Prachat Sogne Deva Idravat. All people kindle you, Agni, the sacrificer, the omniscient. Do you, Agni, who are invoked by many, quickly bring hither the sapient deities? Here's what each part means spiritually, explained simply. Hotaram Visvarvedasam, the priest and all-knowing one. Agni is called the Hotar, priest, and Visvarvedas, all-knowing. Imagine him as a wise guide, like a lighthouse shining through a stormy night, showing ships the way to safety. Spiritually, this is about the inner wisdom we all have. A quiet voice that helps us make good choices and find calm amidst life's mess. Agni reminds us that there's a divine light inside, ready to guide us if we listen. Sam hi tva vis indhate, all people kindle you together. This line says everyone comes together to kindle Agni. Picture a group of friends around a campfire, each tossing in a stick to make it glow brighter. Spiritually, it's a beautiful message. We grow stronger and closer to the divine when we support each other. It's not just about your own journey. It's about lifting each other up, together like a team. Sa Vaha Puruta Prasate in Devanaya Dravat. Bring the gods here quickly. Here, the hymn asks Agni to bring the gods fast. Think of it like texting a friend for help when you're stuck. Spiritually, this is about calling on higher powers, wisdom, strength, peace, to show up in your life when you need them most. Agni is the messenger who connects us to these divine qualities, making sure we're never alone. This hymn tells us Agni isn't just fire on the outside. He's the spark within, linking us to something bigger and to each other. So, how do we bring this ancient wisdom into our daily grind? Here are 3 fresh, practical ways to live out Rigveda 1.44.7, especially for today's world. Start your day with a spark. The hymn begins by invoking Agni. So why not kick off your morning with a small ritual? Light a candle or just picture a flame in your mind. Take 5 minutes to breathe deeply and set a positive vibe for the day, like, I'm ready to shine today. It's a simple way to connect with your inner light and tackle whatever comes your way. Tap into wise voices. Agni's role as a messenger means he brings divine guidance. In our lives, that's like seeking advice from people who lift us up. Reach out to a mentor, watch an inspiring video, or listen to a podcast that speaks to you. For example, if you're stressed about school, find someone who's been there and let their words guide you, like Agni bringing the gods to your side. Grow with your crew. The hymn's focus on all people together is a call to community. Join a group that vibes with your interests, maybe a gaming squad, a study circle, or an eco-friendly project. Share your goals and cheer each other on. It's like kindling a fire together. The more you connect, the brighter your life gets. These steps are easy but powerful, turning ancient words into real-life magic. Rigveda 1.44.7 is a wake-up call. You've got an inner fire, a piece of the divine just waiting to blaze. Agni shows us how to light it up, through wisdom, togetherness, and a little help from above. In a world that's loud and overwhelming, this hymn whispers a truth. You're never alone, and you've got the power to transform. So take a moment today to kindle your own light. Share this with someone who needs it, and let's spread the glow together. Hit that like button, drop a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe for more ancient wisdom that still rocks today. Let's keep the fire burning.